Hello and welcome to this tutorial. My name is Eric Bosha. I am the product manager for low vision devices at HumanWare. In today's little tutorial, we will demonstrate how to update the software on your Reveal16. You will need a cable, a USB cable, to connect to a PC. And on the other end of the USB cable is a micro USB connector so that this end will connect to the Reveal. On the reveal, the USB port is situated under the bridge of the device. The bridge of the device is where the camera sits. And under that bridge, there are the LEDs. And underneath the LEDs is the port, the micro USB port that you will connect the cable. Once connected, you can turn on the device. Once the device is powered up, it will say PC connected. And on the PC, you should get a pop-up window which should look like something like this with a folder called images. This is the root of the Reveal16 device. You will need to download the update file, which can be found on the HumanWare website under Support tab, and then Reveal16. There will be an update software update file called Reveal16 underscore the version name, which in this case is 1.1.0, and then the build number, which in this case should be 498.brn. This file, you can copy it onto the root of the Reveal16, like this. Once that's done, you can disconnect the USB cable from the Reveal16, and then you power down the device and power up the device again. There will be a message displayed saying software update. Once the software is updated, it will reboot in the magnifier. To confirm that the update was complete, you can press and hold on the contrast dial, which will bring you to the settings menu, and then you can scroll down using the zoom button to the about menu. To select, short press on the zoom dial and your software should be up to date. You should read the first option on the top, software, and the version that should have been updated. So in this case, 1.1.0.498. And my device is updated and you're ready to use the new software. Thank you for listening.